Hello esteemed viewer, welcome to How to Messing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock a 4-digit PIN Android phone and also a 6-digit PIN Android phone if you've forgotten the password. This video is strictly for educational purpose, and let this sound like a disclaimer because this video is for educational purpose and all the content in it is strictly for educational purpose. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a 4-digit password, but guys, before I start, please kindly note that you have to follow the steps provided in this video from start to end. You are not to skip any step. So let's get started. So before you start, make sure that the phone is on the flight mode. So many phone has the option where you can toggle it either from the top like this or from the bottom in order for you to enter the flight mode. So kindly put it on the flight mode, and when you put it on the flight mode, please make sure you wait at least minimum 15 seconds before you move to the next step. So before we move to the next step, please subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, and also like the video because you're gonna enjoy the video at the end of this video. So here's our phone, and it has a 4-digit PIN lock. So if I put a password like this, or a PIN, generally called a password, you can see that I cannot input the correct PIN to the phone. So how do we unlock the PIN? So let's get started. So in your phone, every phone has this. So navigate to the emergency call section of the phone, and you enter the key, the dial pad. So here in the dial pad, you're gonna carefully follow what I'm doing. So here's what you're gonna dial: star 0 0 0 0 0 into 4 places. So when you do that, put another star. So you're gonna put 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when you do that, you press the hash or the pound key. So guys, and you send, it's gonna tell you that the call fell. Number dial is not an emergency number. In case you've watched my other video, please kindly note that this video works specifically for Samsung, Oppo, Realme, and other high-end phone that you find it difficult in unlocking. So I advise you that you stick to the end of this video because be it Samsung, be it Oppo, be it Realme, be it HTC, you'll be able to unlock the video. So be the phone, sorry, you'll be able to unlock the phone with the video. So after that, let's put in this pin. Go back to the pin section and put in this pin. And please be careful while putting in the pin because some phone may log you out for a long time. Just put in this pin 0000. It's a wrong pin just once. After that, go back to the same emergency call center. So you're going to dial this code again: star 0 0 0 star into 2 places 1. You now dial star 0 2 0 2 0 2 5 5, sorry. And you now put the hash or the pound sign. So after that, you're going to dial this. It's going to tell you call fail. The number you dialed is not an emergency number. It's okay. So this is our second to the last step. Now during this our second to the last step, after dialing that code, please be sure you wait for minimum 20 seconds before you go into the next step I'm about to show you. So while waiting for minimum 20 seconds, do well to like the video in case you didn't do so at the start of the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment in the comment section below in case you're passing through any challenge. You know, some people have a phone where they cannot put it in the flight mode when the phone is locked. So let me know if you can put your phone in the flight mode or if you cannot put it in the flight mode because it's locked. So, and I'll tell you what to do about it. So let's get started. or let's continue. Sorry, I'm just being carried away with the excitement of unlocking this phone. So after that, you're going to put in this pin for me. Just put in this pin. So you'll be able to unlock this phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please try again. Incorrect password or pin. Now, if your phone is the type that once you put an incorrect pin, it's going to keep you for minutes, please just do well to wait for the estimated minute the phone keeps you. So after that, you're going to dial this last code. Then from there, we unlock our phone. So what are we dialing? It's a short code star 5 2 5 6 star 0 into 4 places 0 0 0 0 hash, and you send. So when you do that, now just wait for minimum 20 seconds like the last one we did. So after that, that's the final step. So guys, just a reminder, drop a comment in case you have any challenge, and I'll gladly respond to you within a short time. So be sure you've waited minimum 20 seconds, and also don't forget to like the video. Be sure you've waited minimum 20 seconds so we can unlock our phone. Now this is the final step that we are. So you can see I use a fingerprint, and it's telling me that fingerprint cannot be used to unlock because I'm not using my fingerprint. So let's wait. For 20 seconds. Let's wait for 20 seconds. Be sure you waited at least 20 seconds. So with that, now here's the pin you are gonna put right here. So 0 4 2 5. Please let me know in the comment section the phone it unlocked. Let me know the model of the phone you're using that it unlocked. So here's my phone right here. It has been unlocked. So guys, that's how to unlock a 4-digit pin. So let's go into unlocking a 6-digit Android pin. So guys, for the 6-digit pin, I'm going to use another phone to demonstrate. So like I said, this particular method works for high-end phone like Samsung, HTC, Realme, Oppo, especially Samsung. So I made this particular video for people using Samsung on other high-end phone where they don't usually find videos that can solve their issues. So let's get started. So just like we did for 4-digit pin, you're going to turn your airplane mode on. So you're going to do that. Also, please leave a comment in the comment section below in case you have a phone where you cannot turn off your airplane mode or turn on your airplane mode because the phone is locked. There's some phone where you cannot turn on your airplane mode because it's locked. But many phones has that functionality where you can turn the airplane mode either by sliding up or by sliding from down. So whatever the case is. So let's continue. So in this particular section, unlocking the 6-digit pin, you start by imputing this pin just once. Please impute the pin once so that your phone will not log you out. 1 2 3 6 0 8. 1 2 3 6 0 8, just once. So after doing that, please wait minimum 20 seconds. You can wait above, but it shouldn't be below 20 seconds. So while we are waiting, guys, please, in case you've not done that, kindly subscribe to the channel. So I always like seeing you watching my next video. It may not be about how to unlock the phone, but I drop quality tech videos, how to tech videos. So videos that will solve your daily tech issues, I drop them regularly. So subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I drop one. So let's get started. Go to your emergency call center. This is our second step. You are going to dial this code with me. Star 0 into 3 places, 0 0 0. And also please kindly follow exactly what I'm doing, because if you don't follow it, you will not get the required result. Star 5025 star 0 0 1. So confirm the code you dialed, tap hash or the pound sign and send. So you, like others, you see this prompt now. Just tap OK, continue. So swipe up to bring out your pin and you wait for minimum 20 seconds. So we've waited from that time we dialed the code, we've waited for like 10 seconds. So let's wait 5 more seconds from now so we can continue. So when you waited for minimum 20 seconds, please go ahead and input this pin. It's a straight pin, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Since we are unlocking a 6-digit pin now, and that's to activate the system. So when you do that, please wait for at least 20 seconds. Guys, please like the video in case you've not done so, and also leave a comment in the comment section below in case you have any challenge. Like I said in the beginning of this section, in case you have a phone where you cannot put up the flight mode, because your flight mode need to be on for this particular method to work. In case your phone cannot put it on, please let me know in the comment section and I'll tell you what to do. So let's continue. So once you do that, open your emergency call section again and dial this long code with me. It's going to be a little bit longer. 726 star 0412 star 2 more to go. 752, not 5. Please be sure you dial exactly what's on the screen. Star 921. Please confirm what you just dialed. And after doing that, kindly press the pound sign. I'm going to use the word kindly because I want you to succeed using this method. I want you to succeed in what you want to do. So dial it. Okay. So after that, come in. This is the second to the last step. Put in this code 0 4 5 2 1 6. So after that, you are going to wait for minimum 30 seconds and we are going to put the last code to unlock the phone. So guys, while you're waiting, please do well to like the video and subscribe to the channel in case you've not done so. Alright, so wait for 30 seconds. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know the phone you unlock. Let me know the model of the phone you unlock. And in case you have any challenge, I'm always available to help you. So wait minimum 30 seconds before we can proceed to unlock our phone. So let's be sure it's up to 30 seconds. Okay, so if you're sure it's up to 30 seconds, so this is what you put in to unlock your code. Put in this code 0 4 0 2 2. There's the number 5. So that's it. You've unlocked your Android phone, Samsung, Oppo, Xiaomi, Infinix, Realme, Redmi. You can unlock so many kind of phone that has a 6-digit pin lock. So thank you guys for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, let me know which phone it unlock, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.